HBAR holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about HBAR right now. So, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now and, of course, what we could be expecting going into Monday morning. So, speaking about going into Monday morning right now, we're almost at midnight here in North America. Depending where you are around the world, we are seeing red across the market. And, it's not just minor red. You're seeing double-digit drop for the broader crypto market, as you can see right now for yourself. There's a lot happening right now. We're going to discuss what's really happening. But, it's specifically to do with the AI, Chinese version of ChatGPT that came out, which has literally caused so much, panic all of a sudden. Because if you really take a look into it and you really understand why, it's been putting a little bit of a sell pressure on Nvidia stock. I think, we're really going to see more developments coming out going into Monday morning, brand new week starting. It has seen the broader market. Obviously, if the stock market, pre-market already is seeing, some bearish sentiment, obviously that's going to somehow have an impact on the crypto market. And as you can see, Bitcoin has been impacted right now, and the altcoin market is definitely reacting as well. You're looking across the board right now, not just HBAR. Everything is down. HBAR down 10.4%, with the price currently sitting at 30.6 cents, also down 5.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, looking at the valuation, $11.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is below $500 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at what is going on right now with the crypto market, which of course I'm sure everyone wants to know. I want you guys to take a look first and foremost at the Bitcoin Dominance Index. Dominance Index is going up, and it's going up quite fast because, of course, Bitcoin has dropped below 100K, and, dominance was already sitting so high, and right now, we're going up to 59.23%, which, of course, in return is going to have quite a negative impact on the altcoin market, while, Bitcoin has already seen a retracement. So right now, if you're looking across the market and you're spooked out, come on, look at it from a realistic standpoint. This makes sense. We're not shocked. This is part of the game. And again, I will continuously emphasize this. This is why I talk about Bitcoin every single day. I know, if we're talking about HBAR, if you're talking about XRP, if you're talking about Solana, people are very fast to be like, hey, what? Why are you talking about Bitcoin every single time? Because I try to show you guys how important the movement of Bitcoin and the dominance really is. And here we are. You can see, Bitcoin has seen quite a sharp drop. So are we going to see a stock market pullback tomorrow? I think, obviously, if we're looking at pre-market numbers and, the overall sentiment, I don't see why we wouldn't see a pullback. And here you're looking at Bitcoin going from $105,000 all the way down to $99,700. So guess what? The 20th, January 20th wick. People were calling me crazy. And again, this is why sometimes external factors can also have an impact on the broader market. But people were calling me crazy for talking about, the potential of us filling the, wick on the 20th that we did see. And here we are, literally in the last 24 hours, this actually did end up becoming a reality, which is a 5.34% move. Remember, a 5.34% move while dominance is going up means, a double drop for altcoins, and that's exactly what you're looking at. So it kind of, makes sense why, you are seeing the broader market pulling down. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price right now, because of course that's what everyone wants to know. Hey, what's happening with HBAR's price? What's going to happen? Where's the price going? When are we going to move? This, that, yada, yada, yada. We know the drill. And so let's take a look at HBAR's price right now. I'm going to pull out the hourly time frame and really show you guys what's happening. And again, I'm going to say this 1,000 times. Yes, you heard that correct. I'm going to say it 1,000 times. Remember when people were, spreading FUD, and again, I'm not saying this about everyone. There are obviously people that look at it from a realistic standpoint, understand, market consolidates, market doesn't go up all the time, but there are trolls, that were really giving HBAR a hard time for consolidating, so nicely for literally over a month. And that exact same, consolidation is really coming in handy for us right now. You cannot be more happy if you're an HBAR holder right now, because let's say we were still hanging around this range, we would have already been below, the 27 cent support line. This is what I try to tell you guys. And right now you're looking at the price still holding above 30 cents, which of course is great. Like I said, significant amount of support still coming in handy. And what's really crazy right now is the fact that we still have not even retested the 0.50 fib zone support at 29 cents. We're still, even though, this is not a small move for crypto market, guys. This is quite a sharp drop for the broader market. And if you really take a look at the way HBAR is continuously holding, it's really thanks to this beautiful consolidation that we did see. So now, again, we talk about confirmations day in, day out. This is a confirmation that, that consolidation really did play out for us. But right now, again, as I stated to you guys before, the broader market seeing a retracement. And right now, the price of HBAR is holding on some, critical support. But obviously, if that does not hold, possibility of us going down to 29 cents or even potentially falling down to the likes of 27 cents is still in play. So what I would recommend you guys doing is, pay very, very close attention to Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin loses the support where it's currently at right now. Bitcoin could actually make its way down to 94, potentially even filling, the 23.6 once again at 92.5. And again, these are some realistic things to be looking out for, which of course is going to have an impact on the price of HBAR without an exception. Now, if you want to put this into perspective, this is a move of about an additional 6.7% for Bitcoin in order for it to touch the neckline of the 23.6. And now, of course, a lot of people are going to come out and say, why are you talking about the 23.6, exact level? Because look at this, we actually have seen this play as a crucial support. You can literally see majority of the time, literally the neckline itself is, a major level of support. So of course, if that were to happen, let's say with the dominance, so if we're taking a look at the last few hours, how much HBAR has dropped, about 10%, so double of what Bitcoin did. So again, that confirms it for us. So what happens if Bitcoin were to drop down? Where do you see HBAR going? I think HBAR could drop down to the likes of literally, here we have it, guys, or literally at this support, and it still would be mega bullish in my opinion if you zoom out and take a look at it from the bigger picture. Right now, of course, people are not happy about this, but sometimes external factors can have an impact on the crypto markets. This is where your due diligence, research, and patience really comes into play. As I've stated to you guys thousands of times, market doesn't go up always forever. There are consolidations, there are sharp drops, but the people that get through it are the ones that survive at the end of the day. But again, patience is your number one key to follow. Obviously, pay attention to Bitcoin to see what happens. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below as to what's happening, what your personal thoughts are in regards to HBAR as well as the broader market. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.